Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're making ribs on my Masterbuilt gravity-fed 560. First time using it. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys, so here are spare ribs. These are fairly small racks. Both racks, I believe, were 5.5 pounds. So typically, I'd like to get my slabs a little bigger than this. But, you know, for this, they were on sale, great deal. And this is kind of a test cook anyway, so it's going to work out all right. All I'm going to do is just take just a little bit of fat off of these and pretty much keep them how they are. Nothing much to it at all. That's not much in there, so I'm gonna leave that alone. I have already removed the skirt and the membrane off the back. And I'm just gonna season these super basic. This is just my little all-purpose barbecue rub I have here. You got garlic, onion, black pepper, a little paprika, salt, and that's it. Not gonna use anything as a binder today. Keeping it super simple. And let's go with a nice liberal coat on the top. Should have did the bottoms first, but it'll be all right. And all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this seasoning set up on my ribs, and I'll season the backside lightly. Then we'll go out to that smoker. I'm using my Masterbuilt gravity-fed 560. I've actually had this smoker for 5 years. Got it as a Father's Day gift, and I just put it together last week. So it's been sitting a long time, and we're kind of excited to see how it works. So I'm gonna let these ribs set up, get a little moist on top, flip them, re-season, then when it's time to put them on, we'll come so outside, I've got my smoker set at 250. I'm using cowboy hardwood briquettes, and I have a few chunks in the hopper as well, and then I have a couple chunks down in the ashtray that's going to provide the smoke. I don't have many because I'm not looking for a heavily smoked rib. I just kind of want to see how this thing cooks. All right, so I'll put the thicker one on the bottom here. I'll just set it there, and I'll put the other one in the middle rack, and we'll just kind of see how they cook. All right, we will spritz with a little bit of apple juice and water, and we're just gonna keep it simple, guys. So we've had our ribs on for a little over an hour. Let's see how they're looking. Looking good. Everything appears to be cooking well. The seasoning is set pretty good on the ribs, so I am going to spritz them down. And this thing holds temperature great so far. So it's been at 250 consistently, only down a degree or two the whole time. So it's doing good. So I just want to spritz them. Continue, guys. Another hour's passed. These ribs are looking really, really good. Just going to keep spritzing them. I'm not going to keep showing you guys every hour on the hour. I'm just going to keep doing this, spritzing and checking, and we're probably just going to cook them all the way through. I'm not going to wrap them or anything like that. They're cooking really well though, so looking good, right? And there are those bones of ours, looking good. They've been on about 5 hours, a little over 5 hours. So I'm going to get ready to pull them. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and put them in a pan, wrap them and just let them sit for a little bit and rest, and then we'll cut them up and let you see how we did. All right, guys, so ribs are done. Again, it took just over 5 hours to get them done. These were completely unwrapped. The only time I did put foil on them is when I pulled them off the smoker to let them rest, and I just went on and wrapped them up then. And you can see how beautiful they turned out. They're actually just falling apart when I tried to pick them up. So they're looking really good. Good, beautiful color. They smell extremely smoky. Since it's already falling apart right there, might as well just go ahead and finish the job in that. And we'll cut one out of there. See how it's looking. Looks good and smoky. Juicy rib. See the juice in there. All right, let's see how it tastes. All right, that's how it looks. See that rib tip just falling apart. All right, let's see. This falls right apart. Just comes clean right off that bone. That's a good rib. Very good. My all-purpose seasoning did the job. Peppery, a little bit of salt. It's right. And it's got a nice smoke flavor from that charcoal and those few bits of chunks I was putting in. I was using mesquite chunks. Didn't use a ton. I probably used a total of maybe 3, maybe 4 smaller chunks for the whole entire cook. And it smoked these things out pretty good, so real good job. It's a shame it took me 5 years to put it together. It makes me wish I had done it way sooner. But these are some bomb ribs, and I'll be definitely using that thing a lot more in the future. So hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share if possible. Please thumbs up again. Appreciate you guys watching. Till the next time, God bless.